Hello lovely people, welcome back to my kitchen and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Okay, I do appreciate all your support. I am making rock buns today, so let's get into the ingredient that I use in making the yummy rock buns. Okay, eggs, salt, I'm using vanilla flavor, sugar, milk, flour, all-purpose flour, and raisins. Okay, so as we get into it, let you know the measurement that I use. Okay, so first of all, this is my 1 cup that I'm using. So I'll be using 3 cups of flour, 1 cup, 2, I'm using 3 cups. Okay, let's go by 3 cups. So I'll be adding my vanilla flavor and all my dry ingredients, and then include my nutmeg. Okay, then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, then add my 1/2 cup of sugar. I will now mix all my dry ingredients with my hands till they are all well incorporated. I'm including my margarine, about 300 grams. I'm mixing the margarine with the flour and the other ingredients. In my eggs, okay, the 3 eggs that I said it earlier on. Okay, I use my fingers to mix them. Now adding my raisins. Okay. I'm adding 1 cup of milk bit by bit till I get the consistency that I need. You know, go ahead and grease my pan. Okay. Then sprinkle some flour in it, okay, so that it will not stick in the pan. It'll be very easy for me to remove it or come off of the pan, okay. So I'll now go ahead and put and for me to get the golden brown, okay, I'll dry some milk on top of my buns, okay. If you don't have milk and you have egg, you can use it as well, okay. One thing that I like about my kitchen is I always substitute, okay. That's the good thing. You can always substitute milk with egg if you want, okay. They all gives you that golden brown. All right, so I'll bake it. I've already preheated my oven on 200 degrees Celsius, okay. So I've preheated it for about 5 minutes. My yummy rock buns is ready to be consumed, okay. Please try at home to make your own rock buns. It's very, very nice, tasty and yummy, okay. Please, you can try this with tea. You can try this very, very rich, okay. You can try with tea, drink, and any drink of your choice, okay. You can actually try it with it. Thank you so much. So I will remove it and put it here for it to cool down, and I will package them well, okay. Very, very nice, yummy rock buns, okay. Very, very easy. I bake it on 150 degrees Celsius from 10 to 30. And it's ready now, right? As you can see, I've gotten the golden brown that I was talking about, and I'm about to eat it with my tea, okay. You can try at home to make your own rock buns. Very, very nice, okay. So see you next time with another sumptuous recipe, okay. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my YouTube videos, okay. And thank you once again for your patience with me, okay. Thank you again. Bye.